the soles of tired feet, you lay your silent heart, the stage of every tragedy, where every life will start. You drink the winter's frozen tears and hold the summer's fire, the patient dark where seeds will dream and roots will never tire.
The dust of stars and bones of old are gathered in your breast. You offer every wandering soul a final place of rest. From the canyons carved by time to the valleys soft and green, the history of a billion lives is written in between.
Oh, Earth, the mother of the great, descend to your unwavering loyalty. My gratitude is lent. You carry every burden, you endure the heavy weight, the foundation of our being, the master of our fate. I feel the pulse beneath the stone, the rhythm of the chord, a tectonic lullaby that echoes from the floor. You give us grain and give us gold, you give us home and path, and forgive the scars we leave on you in our collective wrath. Firm beneath the shifting winds, stable in the dark, every creature finds in you a sanctuary spark. Mighty is your patience, holy is your clay. I bow my head to touch the ground where I was meant to stay. Oh, Earth, the mother of the great, descend to your unwavering loyalty. My gratitude is lent. You carry every burden, you endure the heavy weight, the foundation of our being, the master of our fate. Teach me how to be as still, to grow through storm and drought, to keep the fruit within my soul and cast the shadows out. For every mountain peak you raise, for every cave so deep, I thank you for the sacred trust that you forever keep.